The year is almost complete, and the veil between the world of the living and that of the dead has become thin. Samhain, summer's end, the celebration welcoming the new year has begun, and the flames of the bonfire light the way during this dark time of the year. At night, spirits make their way amongst the living, but not all are of good nature. During Samhain, offerings of food and drink are set out to honor the ancestors and to appease evil spirits that lurk in the shadows. Tricks are played on the evil spirits as the living dress up in costumes imitating those spirits to avoid being harmed. Special treats for mischievous fairies are cleverly placed to keep them away from homes. Poor Jack, a man with little morals, was not as cunning as he thought himself to be, and made a deal with the devil that later caused him to walk in the darkness of eternity with a burning piece of coal placed inside a carved turnip to light his way. Legends are formed and stories are told as traditions evolve with deep Celtic roots.